Press the large open button and the small round button at the same time, and hold them down for 6 seconds. The small red light will then begin to flash rapidly. Once the light is flashing, press button 1 on each remote. The light will stop flashing momentarily each time and then continue flashing. Once the light is solid, then both remotes will be paired, and the top 2 buttons on each remote will have the same functionality as the large open and close buttons on the Roll Rite unit. You can repeat this process with 3 or more remotes too, and they will all be able to connect to the trailer. You cannot pair the remotes sequentially. An example would be entering pairing mode and connecting a remote, entering pairing mode again and connecting another remote, etc. This does not work, as every time you enter pairing mode, the receiver disregards all previously paired remotes.